What happens when we reach the end of the Bitcoin treasure map? Will miners quit? Will the whole system collapse? Let's explain, because the truth is surprisingly smart. Imagine Bitcoin is like a treasure chest full of 21 million coins. But here's the twist. You can only open it one tiny piece at a time, and it gets harder the more you take. That's how Bitcoin mining works. It started out easy, but every few years, it slows down. That's built into the code on purpose. As of now, over 19.7 million Bitcoins are already mined. That means there are fewer than 2 million coins left, ever. But the last Bitcoin won't be mined until the year 2140. Why? Because every 4 years the rewards get cut in half. That's called a halving. It's like breaking a cookie in half again and again. Eventually the crumbs are so small, you barely get any. You might wonder, why would anyone keep mining if there's no reward left? Here's the answer. Miners will still get paid, just differently. Instead of getting new Bitcoins, they'll earn transaction fees. Like a small toll booth. Every time you send Bitcoin, a tiny piece goes to the miner who processed it. So will Bitcoin still work without new coins? Yes. The system is designed to run forever, even without new Bitcoins, because the network rewards security and activity, not just new coins. Think of it like a highway. Once it's built, it doesn't need more concrete. It just needs cars, like people using it, and toll booths, like miners keeping it safe. Satoshi Nakamoto knew this would happen. The limited supply of Bitcoin is what makes it valuable, and the switch to a fee-only system keeps it running long after the last coin is mined. No inflation, no endless printing, just a digital system with a built-in endgame. So when all the Bitcoins are mined, no, the system won't collapse. It will keep going just like a well-built clock. If this helped you understand the future of Bitcoin, give it a like, subscribe, and share with a friend who still thinks Bitcoin is running out. See you next week on Block and Learn, where we keep crypto simple.